In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM and Gmail. By the end, your Gmail inbox will be connected to Zoho CRM so you can send, receive, and track emails directly inside your CRM, keeping conversations tied to your leads and contacts. First, open Zoho CRM and land on the home page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account with the right permissions to change settings. If you're part of a team, it's a good idea to confirm you have admin or setup access so the integration saves properly for your organization. Next, look for the setup icon, usually a gear in the top navigation. Click it to open the settings area. This is where all communication channels live, including email, telephony, and more. Inside settings, find the channels section and choose email. This is the hub for configuring how messages flow between your CRM and your email provider. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or use the search bar within settings. From there, click Email to open the email configuration options. You'll see Compose Preferences and Mailbox Setup options. Select Get Started to begin connecting your mailbox. This launches the guided setup so you don't miss anything important. When prompted to pick your provider, choose Gmail. This tells Zoho CRM to use Google's secure OAuth connection, which is the recommended and most reliable approach for syncing and sending mail. Click Configure. A Google sign-in window may appear. Select the Gmail account you want to connect and grant the requested permissions so Zoho CRM can send emails on your behalf and read messages for syncing. If your organization uses multiple Google accounts, double-check you're picking the right one. You'll now see an option to import email filters or skip. Filters help bring in selective emails based on criteria you already use in Gmail. For this walkthrough, skip the process now so we can finish the core connection quickly. You can always return later to fine-tune filters once the integration is running smoothly. Finally, click Update to save your settings. This confirms the connection and completes the setup. After a moment, you should be able to compose emails from records within Zoho CRM using your Gmail address, and incoming emails will begin to associate with matching contacts and leads. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a little time for the initial sync. A quick tip. After updating, review your from address, signature, and any default reply settings to ensure messages look professional and come from the correct mailbox. That's it. Your Zoho CRM and Gmail are now connected. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.